Mga preng, before you skip this, let me say this clearly. January 2026 already exposed who's winning and who's about to be left behind in the motorcycle world. And no, this is not about speed, not about CC, and definitely not about brand loyalty. Mga preng, this is about why riders are changing how they choose bike without even realizing it. If you think motorcycles are still about bigger engine equals better bike, mga preng, you're already outdated. Because this month alone, 3 things happen in the Philippine motorcycle scene. The most people are talking about separately, but almost nobody is connecting. Mga preng, today I'm connecting them for you. And by the end of the video, you'll understand why scooter are beating motorcycles, 400cc is the new big bike, and tech, not horsepower, is becoming king. Now let's start with the bike that quietly shook the market again. Honda ADV 160. 2026 refresh. Honda didn't change everything, mga preng, and that's exactly why this worked. Here's something most reviews won't tell you, mga preng. People don't want new. They want familiar but improved. Honda understand Filipino riders better than anyone. ADV 160 isn't just a scooter. It's positioned as an SUV of scooters. Meaning, daily commute? Yes. Rain? Yes. Rough road? Yes. Long ride comfort? Yes. The 2026 refresh wasn't about specs, mga preng. It was about visual authority. New colorway equals social validation. People want something that looks fresh, even if the engine stays the same. And Honda knows most buyers don't read specs sheets. They buy with emotion, then justify with logic. That's why ADV 160 remains unbeatable. Not because it's the fastest, but because it makes the rider feel prepared for anything. Mga preng, now let's talk about something completely different, but equally dangerous to the market. The Triumph Scrambler 400XC. Why this bike is trending? Mga preng, this bike is trending not because it's powerful, but because it's psychologically perfect. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Most riders don't need 600cc. They want the big bike identity, and Triumph understood that. 400cc today means lighter, easier to control, cheaper to maintain, less intimidating, more usable daily. And yet, when you park it, it still commands respect. Triumph didn't sell a motorcycle. They sold a lifestyle entry point. You don't feel like a beginner, mga preng. You feel like someone who chose smart. This bike exists for riders who want to say, I don't need to prove anything. I already know who am I. Now let's talk about the part 3. The part that ties everything together. And most people are sleeping on it. Mga preng, motorcycles are no longer just machines. They are becoming smart platforms. Do you know CHG, mga preng? CHG, Smart Riding Systems, Motorcycle CarPlay. This trend didn't come from bikers. It came from smartphone culture. So let's be honest, mga preng, riders already rely on their phones for navigation, music, calls, content, communication. Smart displays didn't add new habit. They simply made an existing habit safer. And why this is a big deal, mga preng? Kasi mga preng, once a rider's experience, glance navigation, voice control, clean UI, and no phone mount stress, there is no going back. So here's the scary part for manufacturer, mga preng. Tech upgrades faster than motorcycle. Meaning, riders will keep the bike and upgrade the tech. Now, connect everything we talk about. ADV 160 equals versatility, Scrambler 400 equals identity, Smart Tech equals control. Different products, same direction. Mga preng, riders are no longer choosing bike based on power. They choose based on how it fits their life, how it makes them feel, how it integrates with their world. Mga preng, 2026 just started, and if you're still choosing motorcycles the old way, you're already behind. So mga preng, ride smart, choose with intention. And remember, the future of riding is not louder, it's smarter.